In this video, we will see how to fill family information form number IMM5645E. This form contains three sections. Section A about applicant, about spouse, mother and father. In section B, you will have to give details about your children, and in section C, you will have to give details about your brothers and sisters. So first of all, we select type of application. My type of application is visitor. Other options are worker, student or other. So complete all names in English and in your native language. For example, Arabic, Cyrillic, Chinese, Korean or Japanese characters. Include all family members even if they are not accompanying you. If you need more space for any section, print out an additional page containing the appropriate section. Complete and submit it with your application. So this is section A. Here in section A, first you will have to write your name. So here in English as well as in native language, because my native language or mother tongue is Urdu, so I have also written this name in my native language or mother tongue. So you will also write your name in English as well as in your native language or mother tongue. Then you have to give your date of birth. Here in first you will have to write years, then month and then day. Then country of birth, my country of birth is Pakistan. Then you have to give your complete present address, which means that the address where you are currently living, you will have to write here complete address. Then your present occupation. My present occupation is doctor, so you will write your occupation here. Then in marital status, here are options: annulled marriage, common law, divorced, legally separated, married, physically present, married, not physically present, single or widow. So my option is married, physically present. So this all about the main applicant, that is you. So you will give all your information here. In the same way, you have to give details about your spouse or common law partner. So the same details you will have to give about your spouse, her or his name in English as well as in a native language, date of birth, country of birth, present address, present occupation. Here another section: will accompany you to Canada, yes or no? Because my spouse or my wife will accompany me, so I have selected here yes. The other, you have to give details about your mother and your father. So you have to mention their name in English as well as in native language, because both my father and mother are not alive. So you do not need to select. In marital state, I will not select anything. Here you see I have not selected anything. Then their country of birth you have to write, and in present address, because they are not alive, so you will have to write the city, the country and the date on which they died. So I have mentioned here city, country and date of their death here. So here definitely option is no. So this is the section A, in which you had to give details of yourself, your spouse, your mother and father. In section B, you have to give details about your children. Include all sons and daughters, including all adopted and stepchildren, regardless of age or place of residence. Because I have two children, both are girls, so I have written here their names in English as well as in native language. Because they are children, so you will select single. Because they are unmarried, so here you will take option single. They are daughters, so I have mentioned here daughter. Date of birth, country of birth, present address, because they are living with me, so I have given their address here. And present occupation, because they are students, so I have mentioned here student. So here, will accompany you to Canada, so my option is yes, because they both will accompany me. This is the section B. in section 1, one thing is that not one, if no spouse or common law partner is listed in section A, read and sign below. So you have to verify that I certify that I do not have a spouse or common law partner, then you have to sign and that. In the same way, note 2, if no children are listed in section B, read and sign below. If you have no children, then you will verify that I certify that I do not have any natural, adopted nor stepchildren, then you will have to sign and then you have to write that here. In section D, in section C, in section C you have to give details about your brothers and sisters, include all brothers and sisters, all half brother and sisters and step brothers and sisters. So you have to give details in the same way, their name in English as well as in your native language, their marital status, their relationship with you, because so you have to mention whether they she or he so sister or brother in this way, and then their date of birth, their place of birth, their current address and their present occupation. So this all about section C. Finally, in section D, certification. I certify that the information contained in this document is complete, accurate and factual. I also realize that once this document has been completed and signed, that it will form part of my immigration record and will be used to verify my family data on future application. So you read and then sign here and write the date. So this is all about family information form, number IMM5645E. Thank you for watching this video.